Hi friends. Traditional South Indian families use a round wedge-shaped stone with a pit in the middle and a cylindrical stone for grinding idli, dosa, vada batters. However, in advanced families, they use motorized low-speed wet grinders or mixer grinders for making the batters. Since the speed of the mixer blade is very high compared to wet grinders, the temperature of the batter in a mixer is much more than that of wet grinder or traditional grinder. The batter prepared using a mixer does not last for long and also loses its taste and nutrition value. The best batter can be prepared using a traditional grinder or wet grinder. There is another drawback in batter prepared using a mixer. Due to very high speed, it is very difficult to control the graininess and consistency of the batter, whereas in traditional stone grinders and wet grinders, it's very easy to control the graininess and consistency, which results in a much fluffier idli, dosa, vada with a consistent taste. Recently we have purchased Elgi Make Ultra Perfect Plus wet grinder. In this video, we will go through in detail about this wet grinder. We have purchased this grinder online from Amazon India. The model is Ultra Perfect Plus. It is made by Elgi Coimbatore. Its grinding capacity is 2 liters. Its MRP is 8590 in Indian currency, but we have got it at discounted price from Amazon, which was lesser than LG online store price. Since its capacity is 2 liters, it is suitable for a family of 4 members. It has 150 watt motor. This is made for 230 volt AC supply suitable for Indian users. However, for Europe, US and Canada users, they have 110 volt variant as well. It has conical grinders. The conical roller design patented by LG. This model comes with a digital timer. Its drum is made up of food grade AISI 304 stainless steel. The body of the grinder is made of ABS plastic, which is lightweight and durable. Batter can be stored in the drum itself after grinding. Let's open the box. 2 more optional attachments, coconut scraper and atta kneader, can be attached with the grinder. In Amazon, the price for these attachments were approximately 4 times than that of LG. So we have decided not to buy it from Amazon, but to buy it from LG directly whenever needed. This is user manual. This is batter cleaner. The grinder weighs around 14 kg. Only this model carries 10 years warranty with 2 years warranty for timer. This is transparent lid violet in color. At present, the grinder wheel assembly is in lock position. Let's rotate the knob clockwise in order to unlock the arm. Now the arm is released and can be lifted up. Now we can lift this grinding stone roller assembly. The roller grinding stones are conical in shape and has 3 grinding grooves each. This is dish-shaped drum which should be lifted by holding it from the bottom. This is coupling adapter. This is the coupler which is attached with the drive assembly which rotates the drum. To fix the drum, let's place the drum on the coupler and gently rotate it. It will slightly drop down with a small jerk, indicating that both the couplers have seated properly. To ensure the fitness, we can rotate the drum and we will feel that the drum is heavy to rotate, as the same is rotating the drive assembly along with the motor. Before we run the grinder, we should ensure that the drum is seated properly, otherwise the couplers will wear out faster. Now let's gently place the grinding stone assembly on the pin in the middle of the drum and ensure that it rotates freely. This groove in the arm and the protruding counterpart in the grinding stone assembly should fit together. This is only possible when both are aligned. We need to align them and lower the arm, and to lock, rotate this locking knob anti-clockwise. Now the grinding stone roller assembly is fixed. Let's fix the lid. Now let's connect the machine with the power outlet and switch on. Timer is indicating the previous set time. We can set the grinding time in minutes using this timer. Using left touch button, we can increase the time. Since this is a 2-digit timer, Maximum set time can be 99 minutes. Using the right touch button, we can reduce the time. The minimum set time can be 0 minutes. Even after setting it to 0 minutes, it will automatically jump to 1 minute once we press the on button. Now let's take a first trial run and grind some batter. We have already cleaned the grinder thoroughly and assembled. First, let's ensure the arm is locked, and this is a must before switching on the grinder. Here in the diagram, the correct position of the grinding wheels is shown. According to this, the wiper should be towards the motor. If it is not, release the arm and set it correctly. Now let's put some soaked lentils along with a little water. Only soaked lentils or rice should be ground. This grinder is not suitable for dry grinding. The grinder should not be run empty for more than 1 minute, otherwise it will reduce its life. Now let's cover the drum with the lid. Let's switch on the power. Let's set the timer to 7 minutes. Now let's press the on button to start the grinder. We can pause the grinder anytime by pressing the on button to add water or to check the granularity of the batter, and resume the grinding by pressing the on button again. The RPM of the drum varies between 135 to 140 when loaded. This RPM is considerably less compared to the RPM of the mixer grinders, which is in thousands. Generally, we should not consume the first batter grinded with a new stone, as the batter may contain some stone dusts. The machine starts beeping a minute before the set time ends. Once the time is over, the machine will stop automatically. Let's add soaked rice to this batter. Since we wanted fine paste of lentils, whereas we need slightly rough grainy rice paste, we have grinded the lentils for 7 minutes and then added soaked rice. Now let's set the timer to 4 minutes and press the on button. I am removing the lid so that we can see the grinding process clearly. But we'll advise not to do the same, as it is unsafe to remove the lid or put our hands inside the drum during grinding, as accidents can happen. Only LG grinders have this conical stone roller design, which is patented by them, whereas all other grinders have cylindrical stones. LG claims that the conical stones generate less heat while grinding, ensuring low batter temperature. This results in better fermentation and so softer, fluffier idlis, tastier dosa and vadas. They claim batter stays fresh for up to 5 days. I think the science behind this conical stone design is that the linear speed of the grinding roller will be uniform throughout, because of which there will be minimal friction between the roller stones and the drum stone, which results in lower rise in batter temperature, and thus batter does not lose its nutrition and stays fresh for long. Whereas in cylindrical roller stone, the difference between the linear speed of the roller and that of drum stone increases as we move towards the center, resulting in more friction and rise in batter temperature. Only because of this unique roller design, we opted for LG grinder, even though other grinders were available for much cheaper rates, and the difference was in thousands. The batter is ready. For safer sake, let's switch off the power. Let's remove the lid. Now let's rotate the knob clockwise to unlock it. Let's lift the arm. This attachment is for cleaning the rollers. Let's lift the roller assembly by one hand and place this batter cleaner on the top of the drum and place and adjust the rollers on top of this attachment. Let's rotate the rollers one by one so that the batter wipes out from the roller and will fall inside the drum. The roller assembly is heavy and so it has to be handled carefully, or else it might fall inside the drum and will make the cleaning process more cumbersome. I found that this batter cleaner is flexible and unstable. It would have been better if they would have made it stronger and stable. Either they would have made it out of stainless steel to make it more rigid, or would have made it from a more rigid plastic material. The left out batter on the assembly can be wiped out with the fingers. Now let's keep the roller assembly outside. We can wash the rollers with a cup of water and add the same water to the batter. The grinder should be cleaned and dried thoroughly. The grooves in the roller stones can be cleaned using a soft toothbrush under running water, or the rollers can be dipped in the water for some time and can be cleaned later on. We can keep the batter in the same drum for fermentation or can transfer the batter to some other container. LG makes wet grinders in different sizes and models. You can select the model as per your need and family size. Using this grinder, you can make batters for idli, vada, dosa, dahi vada, moong dal halwa, almond and cashew burfis, etc. and can enjoy these tasty dishes with your family. If you decide to buy this grinder, please use the link given in the video description. If you buy this grinder or any other product from Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, we will get a small commission on your purchases. Rest assured, there will be no additional charges for you on purchases through the link, but this way you can financially support our channel without spending anything extra. Let's conclude this video here. If you found this video useful, please hit the thumbs up icon. Please also share this video in your social circle. It will encourage us to upload more videos. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel aonehelp. Please also click on bell icon to get notifications of our forthcoming videos. For any query or suggestion, please leave a message in the comment box. Let's meet again in next video. Thanks for watching till end. Bye.